Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we have interesting comparison Sony Xperia XA2 and Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. Perhaps these are the best mid-range smartphones of 2018. If you don't believe Chinese manufacturers, then devices from Sony and Samsung are the best option for you. Japanese and South Korean companies produce high-quality smartphones with good specifications and features. So let's start our comparison and decide which is better to buy at the beginning of 2018. First of all, Sony Xperia XA2 doesn't have full screen or bezel-less design, unlike Galaxy A8 2018. It comes with 60:9 aspect ratio. However, it has edge-to-edge display that is curved at the sides. It means that there are no bezels on sides. Galaxy A8 2018 has 80:9 aspect ratio, so it has longer and bigger display. New Galaxy smartphone follows the latest trend and remove bezels on top and bottom. Sony Xperia XA2 is made of metal, while Galaxy A8 2018 combines metal and glass materials. It is interesting that Sony smartphone has a lot of space under the display, but fingerprint reader is located on the back panel. I think it will be more useful to have front fingerprint reader. Galaxy A8 doesn't have room on the front panel, so it also has fingerprint reader on the back. Both smartphones have USB Type-C connectors and 3.5mm audio jack. In general, both devices have high build quality and interesting design. However, I like Galaxy A8 2018 more because it comes with full-screen design. To be honest, Xperia XA2 looks outdated with its top and bottom bezels on the front panel. As I already said, Sony Xperia XA2 has 5.2-inch display with Full HD resolution 1080 by 1920 pixels and 16:9 aspect ratio. Also, it is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 4. Galaxy A8 2018 is equipped with 5.6-inch display and Full HD Plus resolution 1080 by 2220 pixels. Its aspect ratio is 80:9. It is interesting that Samsung smartphone is bigger and it has smaller bezels on top and bottom, but it has almost the same screen-to-body ratio as Xperia XA2, 75.6% versus 74.9%. Yes, Galaxy A8 has smaller top and bottom bezels, but Xperia XA doesn't have bezels on sides at all. It is quite difficult to choose a winner, but Galaxy A8 comes with Super AMOLED display and I think it should be better. As for the hardware, new smartphone from Sony is powered by Snapdragon 630. It is 14nm octa-core chipset with clock speed 2.2 GHz. Also, there is 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal memory. You can use microSD memory cards to expand internal memory up to 256GB. The smartphone should have about 70,000 points in Antutu. If we talk about Galaxy A8 2018, then it is powered by Exynos 7885. It is also 14nm octa-core chipset with clock speed 2.2 GHz. In addition, the smartphone has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, which supports microSD memory cards. A new Samsung device scores about 80,000 points in Antutu. To be honest, I don't think that you feel real difference in performance between these smartphones, but Galaxy A8 2018 has 64GB of internal memory. I think it is a big advantage. Sony Xperia XA2 runs on Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. Sony smartphones have its own user interface, but it doesn't differ much from stock Android. It offers some additional functions and new icons. Galaxy A8 2018 runs on Android 7.1 Nougat, but manufacturer promises update to Android 8.0 Oreo in the near future. As you know, Samsung user interface has a lot of customization compared to pure Android. I don't know is it good or bad, but I prefer stock Android system. Finally, Sony Xperia XA2 received first point from me. As you may notice, Samsung and Sony smartphones are very different. Also, they have different cameras. Sony Xperia XA2 comes with 23MP rear camera with f2.3 aperture, 5x zoom, 4K video recording and slow-motion video up to 120 fps. Also, the smartphone has 8MP camera with 120 degrees lens. Galaxy A8 2018 is equipped with 16-megapixel rear camera and f1.7 aperture. It should take great photos at night. As for the front camera, there is very interesting solution: dual front camera with 16-megapixel and 8-megapixel sensors and f1.9 aperture. Despite the fact that Xperia XA2 has more megapixels, but Samsung smartphone comes with smaller aperture. It provides better photos at night. Also, Galaxy A8 takes better selfies. Sony Xperia XA2 is equipped with 3300 mAh battery. In addition, the smartphone comes with USB Type-C, so smartphone supports fast charging. Galaxy A8 2018 has 3000 mAh battery and supports fast charging. I think that Xperia XA2 has longer battery life because it is equipped with bigger battery and smaller display. And the last category is the price. It is the most important factor for many users. Sony Xperia XA2 was released at the beginning of January 2018, and now you can buy it for $350. Galaxy A8 2018 is already on sale for about a month, and its price is about $500. As you can see, there are a big difference in price between these two smartphones, because Galaxy A8 2018 has almost flagship price. However, Samsung smartphone has better hardware and cameras than Xperia XA2. Sony smartphones cost less and it has bigger battery, but it comes with outdated design. So you need to decide for yourself what is more important for you. Thanks for watching. Write in comments below what smartphone is better, Sony Xperia XA2 or Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.